y'all doing?
Oh, I don't even
Terrible.
know what push to talk is.
For you, it should be. Is it T?
I have no fucking idea. No,
Try
it's
T.
like salmonella.
Text chat, Jenna's currently
Yeah.
disabled. You managed.
Wow.
Oh, I knew it.
Rah.
I don't know who to pick, dog.
Let the computer pick for you.
That one right there.
What is that one right there?
That one, the one that's.
Oh, you're.
I
Oh,
lit-
hey, you're Thorn.
I
I really did
wait,
buy you the one with
how
all
do you-
those operators.
You bought. Aw, you lucky bastard.
Wait, hold on. Are you talking to me or her?
Need to keep the hostage secure. Fortify the room.
Ash.
Oh, why is my sensitivity? What is? Why is it so high?
Webcam is so awfully low.
Hold on.
Yo, this
There
guy's
you
name
go.
is I Punch Kids. I have respect for him. Wait, what?
Where's sensitivity at?
Okay. Press the escape button.
I'm already there.
Go to
Lower
options.
sensitivity.
Go to controls. And
Yeah.
you'll see mouse sensitivity there.
Oh, okay. Where is that, mother?
I'm reinforcing this entire wall. I don't care what you say.
5 seconds to insertion.
Ew, oh shit.
I wonder when they're finally gonna let us re-add custom profile picture.
I'm gonna hide in this corner.
I see Rose is using the Minecraft strategy of just hide at the night.
That's the only thing I'm good at.
Op 4, last
That's not the only thing you're good at.
You are.
Huh?
I'm insane, dude. Where's Rooney? Oh, now she's dead.
Hi.
Alright. Don't shoot the hostage. That's big bad.
I don't want to.
I don't want Diego to push, but he's gonna do it anyways.
You can jump.
Nice.
Wow. Oh my god,
You can't really jump, but you can vault.
climb. Oh my god, you can climb.
I don't know why, but I just find it so entertaining, the fact that Rose is entertained by the ability to just jump us.
That's so
shit.
cool.
Rose, she's in kitchen.
Ow!
Kitchen?
Well, do you remember when you could throw all my traps on him?
Like on the...
Like on the hostage, and then anytime they threw a grenade, it just like kill him. That was
Played this
funny.
game before. Meow. Meow.
You are being
I got a
hunted
text.
down.
Sorry, guys. Hold on. Come here, Anthony.
Who the fuck did I just shoot? Okay, there's Jackal.
Too.
It's just rude. All I did was kill his friends. Every time I hear the phrase, I don't care what you say, I think of the Clarence theme song.
I will waste 7 pallets. I don't care.
Okay, better.
Op 4 has
Hi.
20 on the hostage.
So what we doing?
Yeah.
So what we doing, guys?
Okay, whatever you do, don't shoot the hostage, and there is friendly fire.
I really want to shoot the hostage.
It's Jordan. Wait.
Well, do you remember?
Okay, you know, it's Jordan. It's Jordan. How you doing, Jordan?
Yeah. Got it.
I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to get you confused.
Hostage location compromised.
Not you. I mean, also, I guess also you. I was talking about. Oh, thank you, Rose. Actually, you wait. You actually are gonna make the computer go meow, 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 meow.
10
Is
seconds.
it actually? Is it? That's amazing.
Meow 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 la la
Down to
la.
5 seconds.
Yeah, you did.
Meow. Meow.
Oh, I
Op
understand.
4 has located the hostage.
Thank you.
Prepare for contact.
Did you finally fix the housing situation?
Meow. 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 I kind of just
Playing
want
Dark
to
Souls
wander.
I keep forgetting that you can play games like Dark Souls on the Switch.
I kind of just want
Yeah,
to
so-
wander around and see where it leads me.
Go for it.
You like a barricade?
Aw. Do I have to buy you a ticket and just have you live in my room with me?
I hear footsteps, man. Oh my god!
What? I'm so confused what she just said.
How do you? Animals have long been central theme for Korean. Okay, what?
Oh, the other side. Office hallway for fucking jackal.
Not gonna lie, he really blended
Also
in.
can't
Can't jump in this game.
Stop! I'm pressing the space bar. I don't like it.
Yeah, it's
I don't like it. I don't like it, guys. Guys,
Every
stop.
character in this game too obese to jump.
It's not funny, guys. Guys, stop. Stop.
No, you actually can't.
I don't like this.
Need to equip the jump button.
Shut up. I know you guys are joking.
Yeah, bind
No,
it
you
to
just
P
click.
on your
Okay, just
keyboard.
click Alt F4 and you'll be able to jump.
I know what that does, Blood.
What does it do?
Close your weird thing.
Yeah, your window thing.
I like how we're just both being.
If you hold the power button on your computer, you win the game.
Shut up! Shut up! I don't care! What did I click? What did I click?
You
You're
can't
invisible
jump. I like watching Rose have an existential fight.
What did I click? What is this? What is
Rose, last game you were never jumping. You were vaulting over an item.
I know!
You have dropped
Blood.
the diffuser.
I know.
You
I
didn't
know.
know you couldn't.
Shut the flippity up.
You keep saying
Okay.
Salmonella.
One friendly operator
Are you
remaining.
referring to the YouTuber? Because he's misspelled his name.
There's a YouTuber
limit.
named Salmonella.
Salmonella.
Damn.
Imagine how embarrassing it would be if Alibi fell for her.
Got someone.
I'm just gonna call it a Roomba, because I don't know what it is.
It's a drone.
No, a Roomba.
Op 4, last op standing.
Yeah, blood, it's a Roomba.
Yeah, get it right.
I gotta assess the situation, you know.
Do you take fall damage?
Spoken next.
Oh yeah.
If you
absolutely.
drop from a certain height, yeah.
Hey, what happens if I shoot the guy again?
Is there friendly fire?
You win the game.
Yes.
Oh.
It's where you can climb up and down using a special hook.
Oh my god! I'm rappelling! Oh my god!
Okay, I'm gonna
I'm
grab the hostage.
Go for it.
Hostage secured.
I don't know what's happening, but that was really cool, man. Can I unravel now? Oh, I want to raffle again.
Is he in
Ooh,
there?
how old is she, Hut? I'm pretty sure she's in her 30s.
Oh. But you're like 27.
What are you doing?
How old?
Okay, 27! I am 24! And look, for me, I've never cared. Okay, I need to phrase this carefully. I've never cared if a woman is older than me. I care about three
Just
things:
drop and
her
grab the hostage.
personality, a bit of her
Friendly
looks.
operator remaining.
He is completely new to this game,
Me.
and how they treat me.
Me.
The big dog.
La, 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 la.
Okay, Rose, can you please just drop down?
I don't want to.
Fall down the elevator. There you go. Walk. Walk.
Do it,
Yes,
Rose.
Walk.
I don't
Walk.
want.
Ash, she's gonna be
You just
behind
walk, aim, and
Do it, or
Ah!
I'll give you more games.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
I feel like that could be your motto in life.
It really is, though. It really
Where
is.
the hostage at?
10 seconds to go.
But more importantly, like, why are my YouTube shorts doing so well, but my videos, which I put far more effort into, are not?
Oh, I jumped off the map.
The fanfic ones that you
Find
do,
the hostage
Blood?
and proceed to
Where? What website? What video? What? I'm confused.
Wait, are you talking about this? Wait, what do you mean?
The Harry Potter one.
What about the Harry Potter one? I uploaded them on YouTube.
I know you did, but
We watched the internet historian read the Harry Potter fanfics.
Harry Potter
Friends.
can fix it.
Big scale.
I don't know. I don't know what's happening, man. I'm gonna rapple.
All you know how to do.
Shut up.
Hostage located.
We wouldn't have that without 9/11.
Okay,
Well,
how?
I come back to what now? Wow.
Oh, this is gonna make such a great video. Thank you.
Advise your drone has located a bomb.
Why?
Yeah, what the?
That wasn't me!
Where does that come from?
It was back in BC.
Oh, I don't know who it's from.
Stop! You know I have a praise king. Don't do that.
What the hell? I didn't say shit.
I didn't. Wait,
Not
huh?
you, not you, Phoenix. He called me a good boy.
Oh.
Oh.
Anyways.
Anywho.
This first came up way back when I don't remember what her face, what her name was this year.
Anyway, that's not the important part. The important part, my lads. I missed most of the things there.
The important part is that I'm an idiot. I didn't shoot him once. Oh!
Drawing projectile system.
That's good shit.
Okay, cover me. I'm planting.
I don't know how, but I will. Hi.
Bomb diffusion initiated.
Oh, hey,
Protect the
cool.
diffuser.
Sense his gun like dog shit.
Hopefully, yeah.
One op 4 remaining.
I still like it. Yay, let's go. Hey, long ago when I had it.
We had
Oh,
this.
hey, y'all want to
conversation
see something
before.
cool?
You said I couldn't have it up. And now you.
What?
Yeah.
No, not a duck. A duck. Ah. Duck. Like,
POC.
yeah, duck. Like our teammate. Where is this goddamn cam?
I'm a silly goose.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Shit, he's my pillar.
Stop, buddy. Stop, buddy.
That was funny. Ah, romance, yes. Imprinting kids, so romantic.
That's not so bad. Wait, I get explain.
Rose, I've read all of the 50 Shades and all of the Twilight. I know how bad they really are. Hey, long ago, when I had a different group of friends, a couple people called me a bottom and submissive. Then when I asked Ryan's girlfriend to draw me a profile picture, shut the fuck up. When I asked Ryan, plus or yeah, they just want a mommy who. Fuck.
Was just a little bit on the lower side of things, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that too.
Regardless, I asked Ryan when I was asking Ryan's girlfriend to do the profile picture. That's the current one for my Uplay profile picture. Ryan suggested that I do a maid, like a maid profile picture, which then
Rightfully
spiraled this
so.
entire thing up because I'm a bottom and I'm submissive. That I should do a cat maid outfit.
True.
Wrong.
And the worst part was, even Gladiatrix at the time was for it, just because I was against it. I thought she was on my
Exactly why
side.
I won. Here's the thing. I remember when you first offered.
Now Glad is out of the
do it.
picture, and I'm into another girl that's very loud. If in
See, I remember when you were
personality.
first going to do it, and you told me and Fish that we could buy it.
And y'all
we
never
didn't do
raised
it.
the money. And y'all never
We
raised the
didn't
money.
raise the money. We didn't.
The money.
But
I
that was
have
what
the-
first came up, is my point.
But-
And
I have money.
yeah.
Can I buy you?
Rose. It's $250 for the entire set.
I have that. I have that.
Why do you have $250?
Talk about it.
To insertion. Be advised, a bomb location has been compromised. Op 4 is located a bomb.
What did y'all say?
He's not old. He's Tarkov. Great game. No. Listen, once they take that game out of beta, which who knows what the fuck that's happening, maybe I'll play.
Okay, synced. What if, hear me out, you agree to play, I will dress up as a cat maid.
We need
Alright,
to locate a
Babe,
bomb.
you have to do it.
When are you getting me the game? When am I getting
We
the game?
have, although Rose has to also agree to play.
What the?
Yeah, I'm more than
Yeah,
fine
yeah.
with that.
Alright.
I am more
Are you
fine with
kidding? Does anybody just want to see me dress up as a cat maid, for fuck's
No.
sake?
Yes.
Not
No.
that I specifically want to see it, just
Drone
the
has
fact that,
located a bomb.
it happening would be really funny, and I only want it to happen. You know? It makes perfect sense if you really think about it.
So is that a yeah?
I'll need
But
a couple days.
Or what?
I'll need a couple days to buy everything.
They got a fucking recruit, bro.
Hey, yo, blood, a cat maid? Yeah. Okay, long story short, long before we ever met Rose or Snorlax.
Holy shit, that was way back when What's-Her-Face was here.
Hey, all of y'all.
No, you don't. You love us. Don't lie.
Oh, yeah, you love us.
Oh, I'm so fucking bad. I'm dead. I don't know where. I don't know what you want to do. It's a mirror. Oh boy.
Yeah,
you
but you
shot the
can't-
shit out of it.
No, that wasn't me. But you can't see my reflection.
Yeah, because you shot the shit
Rose,
out
do
of
you
it.
know
No,
how
it
much?
wasn't
Do you, Rose? Do you know how complicated of a program it would take to reflect every operate on
Yeah,
a mirror?
mirrors are really hard to do in games.
No, but shh.
Rose, you know what else? Can't
No.
do?
Wait, you know what else is
You
what?
also can't. You also can't jump in this game.